Hello everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair and then take the front section out of it. Now take the smaller section and then start making the braids out of it very nicely and gently. Now take the smaller section out of the front hair and then keep adding it to the braid as shown in the video. Do the exact same process very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Now braid your hair till the end and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic as it will look like this. Now repeat the exact same process on another side too and then bring it all together, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now take the remaining hairs and then tie it all together with the help of the elastic only. Now divide the hairs into two sections and then take the front section aside and then take another section. Now start taking the smaller section out of each part and then start making the braids out of it very nicely and gently until it will start looking like this. Now take another section and then tie it all together with the help of the rubber band and then make the bun out of it. Attach it properly with the help of a hair clip and then it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then pull it inside out. Now take the remaining hairs and then divide the hairs into two sections. Now take each section and then start making the braids out of it very nicely and gently and then tie it all together. Now bring it all up and then pull it inside out. It will look like this. Now take another section and again start making the braids out of it as shown in the video. Make it very nicely and then attach it all together with the help of a hairpin and then fix your hair very nicely, accessorize it and then it's all done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then take another section of your hair, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic only and then pull it inside out, fix your hair nicely. Now take the remaining hairs and divide the hairs into three sections and start making the braids out of it and then make a bun and fix your hair nicely with the help of a hairpin. It will be looking like this. It's done. For next one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out. Now take remaining hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and then divide the hairs into two sections with the help of the elastic only and then start making the bun out of it and then attach it properly with the help of a bun clip and then it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take it all up together and then attach the hair clip. Now take the remaining hairs and tie it nicely with the help of the elastic as shown in the video and then make a bun out of it, fix it properly with the help of a hair clip and then it's all done. For the next one, take the hairs and then start rolling it all together as shown in the video and fix it properly with the help of a hair clip or the clutcher. It will be looking like this. It's done. Thanks for watching.